To start, I'm going to take off the wheel. If you have a hubcap and the little lug nut caps, go ahead and take those off with a 19mm. If not, just go ahead and take off the lug nuts with a 19mm. Remove the wheel. Let's remove the 16mm bolt that holds the sway bar link at the top. And at the bottom, you'll notice that it's not bolted on, it's just pressed onto the sway bar. So I'm going to take some large pliers. The bigger the pliers, the better, but sometimes they're so big that they don't fit in here. So you just have to find the right size, and then basically we just pop it off, kind of like an exhaust hanger. There it is, after about 15 minutes of trying. Now we have to get the bushing out. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. It'll be easier to remove that way. All right, let's get the new one in. I put some grease on this bottom bushing. That way hopefully it slides in a little bit easier. It's not going to be easy, but you know, a little bit easier helps. Put the bolt through the top, and then on the other side there was actually a little washer. It went in right here. Now we have to pull the sway bar down, push the bolt through, start it onto the threads, and tighten it up. Do your best, make sure it's nice and tight. Now do the same thing to the other side. Let's get the wheel back on. Start on all 5 of your lug nuts, bottom them out, and torque them to 100 foot-pounds. And then of course, if you have a hubcap, you would put that on after. Mine's missing, but basically has little plastic 19mm caps. You can just screw it onto the lug nuts.